Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide WhatsApp downloaded images, videos from your phone gallery. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work. Just open your WhatsApp on your smartphone. After opening, on the top right side, you can see three dots. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the WhatsApp settings. In the settings, go to chats, and here you can get the option media visibility. Just if you want to hide the media from your phone gallery, just you need to disable this option. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method. If you want to hide your downloaded media from your phone gallery, you can disable this option. That's it. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.